Alright everybody, welcome back to the garage. We got a couple more goodies we're going to do to the bike. One is an upgrade and one is a fix. I'll show you as we go. First thing is this guy. Open it up here and I'll show you what it is. This is a pile water resistant Bluetooth radio for the bike, because that one on the bike is done crap to bed and it's dead, so it won't do anything. So we have a ride tomorrow, which will be one of the next couple videos up, and I'm not going without any tunes, so that's what this is for. I got to go over here and open the other thing. It's a little big because I don't care. And of course, it's a box within a box. Oh yeah. I'm excited about this because it's going to make the long rides a lot more comfortable. This is driver's backrest, and it's got a little pocket on the back so the passenger can put stuff in there. Nice little pocket. And this is, I'm guessing, where it mounts up to the back of the bike. You got all your hardware. You got the pillion part for the back of it, and this one came with the mount, because mine has the bolts but not the mount. I'll come back when I get the seat off. Alright, let me show you. That thing's awesome looking on there. Now it is a couch. Got the driver's backrest finally. That adds a lot of comfort because I'm super tall and I find myself kind of hanging from these things sometimes to, if I want to lean back, and makes my hands go to sleep. So we got this nice cushion pad, and it's got a nice little pocket on there for little man to put his stuff in, or whatever, whoever's riding with me, they can put their stuff in there. So yeah, so the next project is the radio. I'm gonna tear the fairing off, undo some wires, and then I'll come back and show you guys, because I've showed you guys how to take the fairing off already one time before, and nobody needs to see that again. So alright, made a little progress. Sorry I forgot to pick the camera up, but we got the old radio out. This one actually was a Fathead Cycles radio. Not exactly. I know they have a website. This is a Sony DSX M80 marine audio radio, so it's waterproof. But as soon as you turn it on, it craps out and it says no output error or something like that. So it was not working anymore. So we're gonna take this little black housing off and slide our new radio in it. I will come back when I get that done. Alright, and literally, it's installed in the bracket. There's the radio, and it slides into the bracket. You have to take off this metal piece and this little trim ring, and it slides in from the back. You can see that too well. And then you got a screw on this side, and a screw on that side. I don't know if your Harley will have this on there, but mine has these two holes right there, and right there. Those are where the screws mount it to hold it into the front of the fairing there. So now we just got to do some wiring on the plug, and we'll come back and show you guys when I get it in the bike. Alright guys, sorry but I'm a horrible filmer. We got it all back in. I've honestly totally forgot to pick up the camera and show you guys, but it's just really I just slid it in there, and we've soldered on the connectors over there on the bench and just plugged it in. The only thing that doesn't work is my controls on the handlebar, because the other radio had a headphone jack on the back. It's called a remote input, and this radio doesn't have that. So I mean, I'm fine with turning it up and down on the radio face itself, but it is super loud. Works good. So, and we got the backrest installed. We got to do a couple modifications to kind of adjust it, but can't actually turn the radio on because of copyright stuff, and can't play the songs on the YouTube channel anyway. So we're gonna clean the throttle body now, because I've never done that, and it's idling a little rough. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video on that. If I do, it'll be its own video. So if I do, like I said, just keep a lookout for it. But if I don't, I'm sorry. But thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, stay tuned for the ride video. Our ride is tomorrow. We're going back to Chimney Rock, but we're taking the bike this time. Last time we got rained out, didn't get to take the bike. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.